自然的口语形式，眼睛只能听见大脑认为应该如何发音。Therefore, it is my strong recommendation that you learn English with your ears through listening. 因此，我强烈的建议你用耳朵，通过听力来学习英语。Learning a language begins with listening. How did you learn your mother tongue? How did you learn your Chinese? How many years did it take before you spoke your first words? Do toddlers pronounce their words accurately? How many years more do they take to improve and refine their pronunciation? 学习语言始于聆听。你是如何学习中文的？你花了多少年才说出第一句话？幼儿发音准确吗？他们还需要多少年才能提高、完善他们的发音？ Okay, the children, the toddlers, they listen. They start understanding. Then they start speaking. At the beginning, they find it difficult to understand, difficult to speak. But with repetition and patience, both on the parents' and the child's part, the child begins to speak clearer and clearer. 他们倾听，开始理解不多，然后开始说话，但是也说得不准确。一开始他们很难理解，随着父母和孩子不断重复并保持耐心，孩子的说话会越来越清晰。So just quickly, we will make another video to go into more details about this. There may be several videos, so this video will just give you a taste to realize the best way to learn is not to read with your eyes, but to listen with your ears to distinguish the different sounds and then to speak them. The more you listen, the more likely you distinguish the different sounds. And once you are able to listen to the different sounds, the subtleties, then you can start to speak the different sounds.